Welcome to this session. In this session, you're going to give more examples on application of product tool. So these are the problems. Evaluate the derivatives of the following. Functions. So the first one, y equals to 3x minus 5, 2x squared minus 3. So this one, we say, let u to be 3x minus 5, v be 2x squared minus 3. So u prime will be 3 and v prime will be 4x. So dy dx will be given by u prime v plus v prime u, which will be 3 into 2x squared minus 3 plus v prime is 4x, u is 3x minus 5. So opening will have 6x squared minus 9 plus 12x squared minus 20x. So we'll have 6 plus 12 is 18 minus 20x minus 9. So that will be the dy dx for part, that part A. B, y is given by x squared e raised to power x. Now solution, we let u to be x squared and v to be e raised to power x. So this means u prime will be 2x, and this means v prime will be e raised to power x. So dy dx is u prime v plus v prime u, which will be 2x times v is e raised to power x plus v prime is e raised to power x times u is x squared. So this is the same as 2x e raised to power x plus x squared e raised to power x. Or you can factorize out 2x plus x squared e raised to power x. Or you can write it as e raised to power x into 2x squared, 2x plus x squared. So that's what you have. Or you can write e raised to power x into x squared plus 2x. C, if you have y equals to 2x minus 9, and then 4 e raised to power x plus 1, then to solve this, let u to be 2x minus 9. So which means u prime is 2, v to be 4 e raised to power x plus 1, which means v prime is 4 e raised to power x. So dy dx is u prime v plus v prime u, So u prime is 2 times v is 4 e raised by x plus 1 plus v prime is 4 e raised by x. U is 2x minus 9. So 8 e raised by x plus 2 plus 8 x e raised by x minus 6 e raised by x. Now this you can write it as 8x e raised by x plus 2 minus 28 e raised power x. Or write it as 8x e raised power x minus 28 e raised power x plus 2. Or you can write it as 8x minus 28 e raised power x plus 2. And then d, y is given by x raised power negative a half plus 2x, and then 7 minus x raised power negative 1. So here, you let u to be x raised power negative a half plus 2x, and v to be 7 minus x raised power negative 1. This means u prime will be negative a half x raised power negative 3 over 2 plus 2, and this means v prime drop negative 1 will be positive, and then x raised power minus 2. dy dx is u prime v plus v prime u, which will be u prime negative a half x minus 3 over 2 plus 2 multiplied by v 7 minus x power minus 1 plus v prime is 7, v prime is x minus 2 times u, which is x raised power negative a half plus 2x. So this implies dy dx. So let's open this. So negative 7 over 2 x raised power minus 3 over 2 plus negative 1 plus minus 3 over 2, we get x raised power minus 5 over 2 plus 14 minus 2 x raised power negative 1 plus x raised power minus 2 plus minus a half is minus 5 over 2 plus twice minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now you see this and this cancels out, so that we have dy dx equals to negative 7 over 2 x minus 3 over 2. This and this are like terms, so those, remember this, there's a negative a half, so this negative negative, so this 1 over 2 here, so this term and this term. So a half plus 1 is 3 over 2 x raised to minus 5 over 2, and then plus 14. So this will be the answer to that given part. And then E, y equals to t minus 8 raised to power minus 1 e raised to power t plus t squared, and then find the value of the derivative at 2. So first step, solution. Let u to be t and then t minus 1, and then v e raised to power t plus t squared. So this means u prime will be 1 plus 8 t raised to power minus 2, and this means v prime will be e raised to power t plus 2t. Now dy dx is the same as u prime v plus v prime u. So u prime is 1 plus 8 t minus 2. V is e raised to power t plus t squared plus v prime is e raised to power t plus 2t times u is t minus 8 t minus 1. So opening, we get e raised to power t plus t squared plus 8 t minus 2 e raised to power t. Now t minus 2 times t positive 2 minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so t plus 0 is 1. So this just be 8 plus t e raised to power t, and then minus 8 t minus 1 e raised to power t, and then plus 2 t squared. 1 plus minus 1 is 0, t power 0 is 1, so 2 times minus 8 is minus 16. So I have e raised to power t, this will be 1, and then plus, here I have 8 t minus 2, and then plus, here I have t, here I have minus 8 t minus 1, and then plus t squared plus t squared is 3 t squared, and then 8 minus 16 is minus 8. So this is dy dt. Actually, this would be dy dt, not dx. So when you say dy dt at t equals to 2, same as y prime at 2, we'll have e raised to power 2 into 1 plus 8, 2 minus 2, plus 2 minus 8, 2 raised to power minus 1, plus 3, 2 squared, minus 8. So this would be e raised to power t, e raised to power 2. One plus, so 2 raised to power minus 2 is the same as a quarter times 8 is 2, plus 2 minus 4, plus 3 squared is 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12, and then minus 8. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5 minus 4 is 1. So it will just be e raised power 2. 12 minus 8 is 4. Whose value is 11.38. Three eight 90561. And lastly, f, we have y, x cubed plus 5 times x cubed plus x plus 1. Now here we let u to be x cubed plus 5 and v to be x cubed plus x plus 1. This means that u prime is 3x squared. This means v prime is 3x squared plus 1. So dy dx by definition is u prime v plus v prime u, which will be v prime is 3x squared, u prime is 3x squared, v is x cubed plus x plus 1 plus v prime is 3x squared plus 1 times u, which is x cubed plus 5. And then we open the brackets. So we'll have 3x power 5 plus 3x power 3 plus 3x squared plus 3x power 5 plus 3x plus, so 3 by 5 is 15. And then 15x squared plus x cubed plus 5. Now 3x power 5, 3x power 5 will give us 6x power 5. 3x power 3, x power 3 will give us 4x power 3. 3x squared, this one here. So 3x squared, 15x squared will give us 18x squared and then plus 5. So you have 6x power 5 plus 4x power 3 plus 18x squared and then plus 5. So this dy dx. Thank you.